Very good morning, students. Myself Sanjay sir from St. Michael Higher Secondary, Bethian. Once again, welcome to e-learning platform where we are providing a lots of material for all the classes, for all the subjects in very impressive and interesting way. Dear students, I just started teaching you subject English of class 9 book moment, and the lesson was The Adventures of Toto. This lesson has been composed by Ruskin Bond, a famous Indian writer who has always inspired youngsters of our society. We have also come to know that his simple and impressive writings are always thought provoking. They always inspire the children to learn more and more. The present lesson, The Adventures of Toto, as I stated earlier, as I stated yesterday, that it is a story of a naughty monkey, namely Toto. Toto is a name of monkey who was earlier owned and possessed by a Tonga driver who always used to take this monkey to the market and to other places. Once the monkey was just seen by Ruskin's grandfather. Ruskin's grandfather is an animal lover personality, and his love for animals is expressed by his private zoo that he has there in and around his house. He always wants to keep new animals in his private zoo, and he always takes care of them. When this monkey was seen by Ruskin's grandfather, he was deeply influenced by the beautiful exposure and beautiful teeth and all other good looking concepts of Toto's personality. He decided to buy it. He approached the Tonga driver, who agreed to sell the monkey only for 5 rupees. The heart of the grandfather jumped with joy, and he bought the monkey without any hesitation and brought it to his home. But there was a problem. What was the problem? We shall be surprised to know that Ruskin's grandmother is a very dominating lady, is a lady of a strong concept, who doesn't want that any animal should be kept at home. Any animal should be kept in the private zoo that has been owned and possessed by the owner of the house, who is loving grandfather. There is a plan in the mind of grandfather, and the plan is supported by Ruskin because he is an obedient grandson of his grandfather. What is the plan? The plan is to keep Toto without any communication, without any approach made by the grandmother. The Toto is kept inside the room where the author, I mean Ruskin Bond, just passes his night and completes his study in that very particular room. It so happens that the monkey is impressed by his nature, impressed by his quality, and he has done some unwanted works inside the room of the author. What are the works? He has torn all the ornamental papers and he has thrown those pieces here and there inside the room. The second thing that he has done, he has also torn the blazer that is owned by the grandson Ruskins. The blazer is of no use. If there might be any delay, there was a strong possibility that by making the pieces of a blazer, the monkey could have made a rope, and with the help of that rope, he might be out of the room. This creates a sense of disturbance in the mind of grandfather, but he laughs inwardly because he is familiar with the actions, naughty actions of the monkey. He knows that monkeys are known for those activities. So he never gets angry, but he changes his plan. And what is changed in his plan? He decides to keep it inside the private zoo where other animals are living very peacefully, very amicably, and in very friendly way. When this monkey is taken to that private zoo, the monkey never comes out of his natural habits and he starts disturbing other animals. He never tries to be friendly. He always tries to disturb the friendly atmosphere of the private zoo, and in that way he creates disturbance there. Other animals always try to be friendly, but he denies. He does whatever is not expected, whatever is not wanted, whatever is not in the mind of the grandfather and other family members. He never allows any other animal to sleep at night. He always creates disturbance and he always tries to dominate and he always tries to be the master of that private zoo. What happens? There is no way to go out, there is no way to be out of this situation. So the grandfather makes another plan. What is the plan and what plan is made by grandfather? We are very much aware of the fact that the grandfather is a pension holder, he is a pensioner who has to go to Saharanpur to draw his pension in every month. The grandfather decides. He takes one decision. He takes a very important decision. And what is the decision? The decision is that he decides to take the monkey to Saharanpur with him. But for this, there needs a preparation. What kind of preparation is needed? The preparation is that a beautiful, strong bag is made. For whom? You will be surprised to know that this bag is made for Lencho, and Lencho is the thing that has to be taken to Saharanpur, which is not genuine and which is not a part of, which should not be a part of the journey, but the grandfather gets the bag ready and keeps the monkey inside the bag, and the bag has a very just narrow hole for the supply of oxygen. What happens at the Saharanpur station, we shall come to know in next video. Stay at home, stay healthy, stay safe and remain inside. Thank you.